In this video, let's talk about Papa John's. We are sitting at a 10-year low, and this setup looks very, very amazing. In this video, I want to talk about a play on shares. Okay, we have a very nice stop loss. The risk to reward is amazing. Risking 10% at the most to make conservatively around like 60% at least. You can even go a little bit lower, like 30%, but we have so much potential, and the stop loss is only going to be like 10% for shares. So I really want to go over here in deep with Papa John's, compare it to other plays, very similar other plays to something like Disney. We made a video on Disney where Disney was also sitting at a decade low support. So we have a lot to talk about in this video. If you have not already, make sure to sign up for the newsletter. I dropped one yesterday. It's a very nice newsletter right into your email. And if you have not already, make sure to join the Discord. Okay, we had a very nice SPY call, and I'm looking out for some more plays the coming week. I know the plays have been a little bit dry because we have been having like 300%, 100%, 200%, and then we went off a while because of market conditions, but we definitely have a lot of trading opportunities that are coming up. So if you have not already, make sure to join that. Let's get started with Papa John's. The first thing that I want to take a look at is I want to go to the monthly time frame, and I have this support right here, which is the just a $40 level. So this is around 41.40. We'll say $40 even, a very nice level of support, and we can see that we have been respecting this level very nicely. Okay, for over 10 years we have been respecting this level, all the way 2013, 2014. This has been a massive level of support. The second thing that I want to take a look at is the RSI. So again, we have talked a lot about the RSI, how the RSI is a indicator that tells us when a stock is overbought or oversold, and currently it is sitting at a very nice oversold level, and it is really the lowest it has ever been. Whenever it hits this RSI, we bounce very nicely. So we talked a lot about RSI on our yesterday's video, showing you guys how RSI determines the bottom. The next thing that I want to take a look at over here for Papa John's is I want to compare it to some other setups and just give you guys kind of the vibe and what type of play this is. We talked about the stop loss. The stop loss is going to be the close below this level of support, and this is more of a longer term play. So this candles are 1 month, 1 month. So it's going to be a longer term play. I'm looking at a year. Okay, a year with a stop loss of 15% max to like conservatively at least making 50-60%. So it's going to be a type of play where you wait a while and it's a lot of patience, but the cool part is there's no theta. You're not playing with options, so it's going to be really on you if you want to take this trade, or if it is a type of strategy that you want to play. You can also play 100 shares and then sell premium on that, but this is a very nice long-term play and very similar to our other plays like Disney that I want to talk about. So again, Disney had the same idea, same situation going on. We made a video here right at $80. We bounced very nicely, and actually you were already up like 30-40% from this pop right here. So we made a video right here, we popped, boom, that was a 40% target right here. So something like Disney, which is a blue chip company, and then we have Papa John, which is also a pretty big multi-billion-dollar company, and we are sitting at this low. And the strategy is that we buy low and we sell high. We buy when there is blood on the streets, when it is the lowest. That is when we get a good deal. So very similar to another play of ours, which was Macy's. So if you guys remember the play on Macy's, we also had a very nice play on Macy's a while ago. This was like a very nice solid 100% gain. So we bought in Macy right here and that was a solid 75% gain from the bottom for Macy's. We bought in when it was the lowest, and we got out for like 50-60% in like a month or two. So Macy's was also a very similar trade to something like Papa John's. We can also take a look at, Pfizer, another trade like Papa John's. Okay, so Pfizer also had this massive level of support right here. We can take a look at the RSI. The RSI was the lowest it had ever been, and we could see that this was a very nice level of support that we have been respecting, and this support was since 1997. So this setup was even better because we have been bouncing off this level since 1997, but we could just see that the setup on Papa John's is so clean, and it just looks amazing over here. Now let's take a look at the weekly time frame right here, and we could see that it looks even more clear on when we get that massive bounce. So if you just take a look at, for example, just a conservative, just one bounce right here, that was a solid 30% gain. So we're already down so much. How much lower can we actually go? So the risk to reward here is just amazing for Papa John's. So overall, this is what I am taking a look at. Again, a more longer term play. We can see that on the daily time frame, we have been holding this level of support. We have been down so much, and the basic idea is, again, we are buying the complete bottom. We are buying the complete low for Papa John's. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and if you have not already, make sure to subscribe with notifications on. Make sure to leave a like if you found value in this video, and overall, see you guys in the Discord tomorrow at market open. Bye.